Find features that distinguish it from other brands for OPOQO, 4K, Mini Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. 6 Galaxy projection modes and 7 Ambient light. Enhance your space with the Star Projector, featuring 6 Galaxy projection modes and 7 ambient light colors, with lens cover. Transform your room with high-definition Galaxy discs and adjustable ambient lighting for a mesmerizing cosmic experience. Create a dreamy atmosphere with lifelike Galaxy projections and choose from 7 ambient light hues to set the perfect mood for an enchanting space. Built-in Android TV apps. Our upgraded smart projector comes with popular apps like YouTube and Prime Video pre-installed, allowing you to stream your favorite movies and shows without the hassle of an extra TV stick. With just one click, you can dive into a world of entertainment, making it easier than ever to enjoy movie nights, binge-watch series, or catch the latest documentaries. 4K video support and max 200-inch display. Dive into mesmerizing visuals with our projector's support for 4K video content. It boasts full-format decoding, accommodating HEVC, VP9, AVS2, AVC at 4K, 30 fps, as well as AV1, MPEG1, MPEG2 at 1080p, 60 fps and more. Enjoy every intricate detail and vibrant hue on a colossal 200-inch screen, making movie nights or gaming sessions truly unforgettable. Seamless dual-band Wi-Fi 6. Maintain uninterrupted connections via cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, compatible with both 2.4G and 5G networks. Wi-Fi 6 guarantees seamless streaming across Android and Windows devices, delivering swifter and more reliable transmission than conventional 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi options. Bluetooth 5.2 connection and Hi-Fi speaker. Experience outstanding audio immersion with the integrated 1x 3-watt Hi-Fi speaker. Utilize Bluetooth to link headphones, speakers, and various devices for a home theater-like surround sound experience. 270 degrees rotatable projector and 45 degrees auto keystone correction. Our projector effortlessly adjusts to project onto walls, ceilings, or even the floor with its 270 degrees rotation feature, delivering an immersive viewing experience from every corner of your home. Benefit from our projector's 45 degrees auto keystone correction, ensuring a perfectly aligned image regardless of the viewing angle. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.